another EdTech tip with me, Ronnie from Greenbush. This week I thought I'd cover a couple of my favorite keyboard shortcuts. One thing that I do very frequently is I hyperlink text, and sometimes it's hard to click something, highlight it, right-click it, go to link, make that happen. But we can make this process a lot easier. All we have to do is highlight the word or words that we want to hyperlink and hit Command K if we are on Mac, or Control K if we are on Windows, and we have this dialog that will pop up that will allow us to hyperlink to a website. Speaking of hyperlinking, sometimes whenever you click a link, it will open in an entirely new window, it will open an entirely new browser. The majority of the time whenever I click a link, I want it to just open up in a new tab in the same browser that I'm already in. You can achieve this by simply holding down Command on a Mac or Control on a PC and then clicking the link. So here's an example of when this can be very helpful. We're on the Greenbush homepage and we're seeing some different workshops that we might want to attend, but we don't necessarily want to lose this page. If we simply click on this link, it's going to take us to the link, but we don't have access back to the same page unless we hit the back button. So instead, I would encourage you to hold down the Command key on Mac or Control on Windows, click the link, and that will open that up in a new tab here. I roll through my tabs pretty quick, and sometimes I'll close one down that I don't mean to, and you can bring back one of those closed tabs with this simple keyboard shortcut. So again, Command on Mac or Control on PC, hold that key down along with the Shift key and press T, and that will bring open the last closed tab that you had open. Bonus, you can hold down Command or Control and hit W, and that'll close the tab that's open currently. Last but not least, we have the ability to add a bullet to a Google Doc. And we can simply hit enter and it'll go down. If we're already making bullets, that's great. But if we want to start a new bullet, sometimes this bullet thing is hard to find up here. So the simple keyboard shortcut is to hold down Command on a Mac or Control on a PC, hit the Shift key and then the number 8, and you've got a bullet. Let me know of any keyboard shortcuts that you like, and I hope that you found these helpful. Thank you very much for watching.